The next speaker we have, this is an interesting overlap here because until we get to full autonomous driving, we really have a challenge in terms of making the automobile industry more sustainable. And many people see the missing link as remote control driving, remote driving. The Autopia company, founded in 2018 in Israel, their founder and CEO, Amit Rosenzweig, is going to now tell us more about the activities at the company. Thanks so much, Amit. Please give him a loud round of applause.
This one. Hi, everyone. So, thanks for having me. My name is Amit. This may be the last time that you ever see me because today is my wife's birthday. And instead of celebrating with her, I'm stuck here with you. So at least, let's make it count. I already ordered her a large bouquet of flowers, but it's not enough. We will get back tomorrow. Anyway, we've all seen this kind of problem statement slides about what's wrong in today's urban mobility. And we've seen it for many years because, you know it, not much has changed. Even some things change for the worse. So if you look at the United States as an example, today you have more people dying from road accidents than 10 years ago, especially children. It's more dangerous to be a child in the United States today than it was 10 years ago. This is a fact specifically from road-related accidents. And very importantly, if we just talk about safety, the device that you all have in your pockets is killing 150,000 people every year because of distracted driving. This is insane. Let that sink in for a moment. The device you have in your pocket or your bag is estimated to kill roughly 150,000 people every year. Google it or ask ChatGPT. So let's talk about remote driving. If the video will work, no, don't worry. If the video will work in 10 seconds, then you'll also see it in action and you'll understand what the hell is remote driving. For us and the OEMs, the car makers, remote driving is a bridge to full autonomy. Why is that? Unfortunately for all of us and all those people getting killed, we do not have full, reliable self-driving in your car that can drive in any street, in any city, doesn't matter in which continent you live. And worse than that, if you ask the CTOs of car makers behind closed doors, they will tell you, yeah, it's many years, more than we will admit. It has to be affordable. It has to be safe. It has to work anywhere. And that's why it takes so freaking long to get it right. And until then, we may have a solution. We as a company and we as humanity, we may have a solution that can bring you many benefits, including the safety, in your car, which is an alternative approach to the full AI approach. So if you want to see it, I apologize if you've already seen it in the morning, because it's my second time on this stage. Let's see if the video works. Until it does, oh.
Hey, car, please drive to the nearest parking lot.
Okay, I'll take it from here.
Hey, car, I'll take it from here.
Thank you. Thank you. In case you're wondering, yes, it is real. Yes, the vehicle is empty. Yes, it's being remotely driven in Soho, New York. How is that possible? The clicker. First, you need the clicker. I thought it will work with the power of the mind, but not yet. Wait, before how is it possible, there is one more important slide. Basically, in your car, all the promises that were made about the amazing benefits of self-driving can be and will be fulfilled in the foreseeable future with remote driving. Because whether it's the use case we've seen right now, parking, you don't even have to be in the car. You can just leave the car, go on to your business, and somebody else will be looking for parking for half an hour, 20 minutes, whatever. Whether it's maintenance, I hate going to the garage. I'm the first one to admit I'm not taking care of my car. Okay? It's just not in my list of top priorities. I apologize, we're in an auto tech company, a conference. I'm not going enough to the garage, I missed the schedule. Maintenance, fueling, charging, all the things you don't want to do with your car, somebody else will do it for you with a click of a button, okay? The subscription is a subscription model launched by OEMs in your vehicle. And this is very important to understand. We're not talking about a small fleet of like smart transportation robotaxis. We're talking about 80 million cars that are sold every year. Okay? Out of those, we do need the ones that actually have cameras in them and have connectivity in them. So it may not be all the 80 million, but more the high-end models. But it's dozens of millions of cars that have the remote driving inside of them. Okay? And we're already working with a few OEMs about those kind of programs. How is that even possible? So over the last 6 years, since the company was founded, we have developed 5 main technologies, and these are the pillars on which remote driving on public streets is made possible. We have 9 granted patents and 20 more pending, and today we'll only get a small glimpse of the 3 on the left, the video technology, the network technology, and the user experience, which is critical. So just to give one example, this is a real comparison before and after of how we use artificial intelligence to enhance the video quality. Why? We send bad video in low resolution, like old television quality. In order to save the bitrate, we send half the bitrate of any other streaming solution, whether it's made for teleoperation or Netflix. And we save a lot of money doing that, because cellular costs a lot of money. And in the receiving end, the center, the control center, we enhance the video quality in real time. It's the only technology on the planet, it's our patent, it's trademark, it's everything, that can do this, what's called super resolution, using artificial intelligence in real time. And that's the trick. Other solutions do it, and it takes seconds to enhance the video quality. Another piece of technology, which is a breakthrough technology patent protected by Utopia, is what we call real-time network prediction. Over the last 6 years, and more so in the last 2.5 years, we have trained a model to predict what's going to happen in the future. Not in our future, in the network's future. So if we have 2 modems in the car, the real-time model can say, which is better? Is it Verizon? Is it AT&T? Down to the level of which packet goes where. So if you have thousands of packets to send every second, it will prioritize each single packet. Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, etc. It can even switch operators. And it was trained on these cities and a few more. Last but not least, talking about the how is the user experience. We had to develop the full end-to-end solution for the consumer, how to book it, how to track it. Where is my car? Like, somebody just took my car. Where is the garage? Where is the parking? You need to know all this information in the app. It's also available in the infotainment system of the vehicle once we finish the full integration with a few OEMs. There is the remote driver, of course, the system itself with all the safety features, and the software that gives him or her the full context, not just the video. And last but not least, you have the manager Like every call center, this is a very, very high-end call center. You need shift manager to operate and supervise and to increase utilization because utilization is money. People want it. Over the last 3 years, we've done a few consumer surveys. We've covered thousands of people from US, Germany, China, UK, France, etc. One takeaway is that people are willing to pay a lot. They understand they can save 100 hours of driving, 200 hours of driving. This is a very high-end luxury subscription. If I can save 100 hours every year of driving, of maintenance, getting my car back from the airport, drive my kids, drive me, I'm going to pay a lot for it, and it shows in the consumer service that we are doing. And people want to use it a lot. 40% say they would use it at least on a weekly basis, which is much higher than any other survey that any OEM has done ever, compared to other potential services that they want to offer. If you ask yourself, is this even legal? The answer is, it depends. If you live in one of the 10 states, Alabama, California, Florida, Utah, Texas, it is legal. It is legal today to have your car being remotely driven in the public streets. Some places are in development. Germany, UK, China, the framework is not complete yet. But if we were to go 2 years ago, this map would have been empty, meaning the momentum is very, very fast. And once it's happened in a few states, which already it happened, like Florida, California, it's happening all over because regulation has a tendency to be copied. So 4 years ago, Hannah, can you help me? 4 years ago, long time ago, thank you. We received, it's the second time. So 4 years ago, thank you, we received this award on a concept. It was, admittedly, a proof of concept, like many awards that are being given. We did a project with T-Systems, and on that stage over there, we were awarded great innovation, amazing. Now, after 4 years of hard work, we are proud to say that the product is finally ready. It's not just 4 years, it's actually since we started, 6. So today we're announcing, literally today, we're announcing a new acceleration program for vehicle OEMs. What does it mean? It has a few components. The bottom line is this. We're ready to integrate with serial production programs we've already started. And if companies that we are currently not working with want to join the car makers that we are already working with, enjoying from the fastest integration that we can provide, which is a major concern for OEM, how fast can you do it? How fast can you integrate my vehicle? Then you're welcome to talk to us. Thank you.